Welcome back to my channel. Here you need a shape. Now color it. Make its second copy and fill it white color. Then set the shape. Now need another shape. And set it right side. Now you merge the all layers from layer panel. Then remove the extra part, whatever you want to remove. Now take a new shape. Fill color off and increase stroke. Now make second copy of this shaping set like this. Now take another white shaping, send it back. Then set it. Now merge these 3 layers from layer panel. Now remove black part. Now color it. Now take another shape to make stick. Now set it. Now merge these 2 layers from layer panel. Now remove white part. Now leaf are ready. Now set the leaf on the previous shape. Then make the second copy of leaf. And set it. Now make third copy of leaf. And set its position. Now make fourth copy of leaf. Now merge the all layers from the layer panel. Now fill the gradient color. For the new look, emboss the object. Now take a text tool and write. Now change the text color. Now change the background color. Text is looking bar. Change the font style of text. Now logo is ready. Save it in JPG format. Thanks for watching.